My approach to litigation is to start from the end, is to not focus on what are my claims going to be and where am I going to file my case, but to first focus on what are my client's goals and how can we best achieve them. Sometimes the answer isn't litigation. And I think I'm at my best when I am working with a client to help them achieve what their goals are. I think the thing that I excel at as an attorney, the thing that I'm good at, is explaining things to people. I teach at the high school, I teach at a law school, and it's the thing that I like to do. I like to teach to students, I like to teach to juries. The kind of cases that excite me are the cases that involve drama. I became a lawyer because I'm interested in interactions between people. I want to help people, and I want to help them deal with their problems. One of the challenges I really like is going against monster firms from New York or California. One of my favorite trials against Big Oil, with the largest firm in the country before they imploded. We had them outclassed in every stage of the litigation. We were better at producing documents, we had better briefs, and we were more effective at trial. And there is a special feeling you get about taking on a giant company with a giant law firm and beating them. I really like that. The thing that makes the Markowitz litigation experience different, and I don't want to overstate this, but it's the idea that we try to make litigation as fun as possible for our clients. We understand litigation is stressful. We understand the importance of the cases to our clients, and we know it's not really fun. But we try to make it as enjoyable as an experience as we can. What that means is we get to know our clients on a personal level. We celebrate our victories, and we incorporate our clients into our team so we all participate in the success of the case. I'm Matt Levin. I'm a shareholder at Markowitz, Herbold, Glade & Melhoff.